I am out of the roadway. I've never been in your roadway.
Okay, I'm just letting you know and advising you have to stay out of the roadway.
And don't eat yellow snow. Don't run with scissors. I got it.
Okay, I'm glad you understand. I have your day.
How am I harassing people? I'm standing right here waving as people wave at me. That's constitutionally protected free speech communication, waving back between citizens. Hey, I haven't broken a single law, and you're trying to infringe on my First Amendment rights?
You have the freedom of expression. I'm not saying anything about your sign. You're allowed to have the sign. You're allowed to wear that hat and that shirt. You're allowed to say and wave to people. I'm telling you, somebody communicated to us, and
I don't care. I do not care.
I'm not asking you to care. I'm just explaining.
I don't care. Why are you telling me?
So you understand.
Well, you can leave. Obviously, I'm not doing anything but standing here holding a sign that pisses off certain snowflakes. You're allowed to stand here. I am too. I'm not going to conversate with you anymore. Have a good day.
Okay, I'm going to talk, and you don't have to listen.
I won't. I'll just record.
Okay. Somebody called and told us you were panhandling and harassing people.
Excuse me, panhandling? Do you see a bucket? Do I look broke? Do you know how much this sign costs to make?
You said you were going to listen.
No, I'm not going to listen to that garbage.
Okay. Somebody said that. I'm not saying it's true.
The encounter begins when officers approach a man standing near the roadside holding a sign. According to police, they received several complaints claiming the man was harassing drivers or possibly panhandling. The man immediately defends his actions, stating that he is simply waving at passing vehicles and exercising his constitutional right to free speech. He insists he has not entered the roadway or violated any law. As the officers explain they are responding to public complaints, the man remains firm, arguing that standing with a sign and communicating with passing citizens is protected under the First Amendment.
So all I'm saying is, if you are panhandling...
Get the complainant out here and file charges against him for abuse of the 911 system, abuse of process, and filing a false police report.
Okay, they didn't call 911, they called 911.
Okay, well, it's still abuse of process and filing a false police report.
Anyhow, I mean, based on your demeanor right now, don't act like...
I'm in the middle of something. You're interrupting me.
Don't act that way to the rest of the people.
Let me explain. I know the law. I'm not breaking any laws. Have a good day.
I'm not saying you are. I never... Did I ever...
I'm not disorderly.
Sir, right now you are being with these two individuals.
How am I being disorderly with these two people who have their back turned towards me? I'm engaged in a constitutionally protected activity. I'm not burning your city down like Black Lives Matter and Antifa did. Am I? Is this Wisconsin? Did I light anything on fire?
Did I say you broke the law?
Yeah, you did.
When? What did I say?
You said I was panhandling and being disorderly.
It's not even against the law.
She said I was being disorderly.
Okay, well, we can talk about
I'm arguing with you, which means I'm allowed to redress grievances under the First Amendment right to petition. I'm allowed to redress grievances with my government, which is you right now. So I'm petitioning, which is protected under the First Amendment. The right to petition and argue with police is protected by free speech. It's been adjudicated by the Supreme Court. I can talk to you any way I want.
No, you are. I didn't say you're not allowed to talk to me.
She said I was being disorderly by the way I'm talking. That's a violation of my First Amendment rights, lady. Absolutely it is. Heading? Yes, it is. I have the right to petition. It's guaranteed under the First Amendment.
I never said anything about your sign, sir.
All right.
You said I was being disorderly because of the way I'm talking. This is how I speak, lady. If you don't want to speak to me, don't speak to me. This is how I talk. Ask my children. I don't have a mute button. I'm sorry.
As the discussion continues, the tension begins to grow. The man challenges the officer's reasoning, saying that complaints alone do not justify police interference when no law has been broken. He repeatedly states that arguing with government officials is itself protected speech under the Constitution. The officers attempt to clarify that they are only responding to calls from concerned citizens and checking whether any laws are being violated. Still, the man continues to push back, insisting that his activity, holding a sign and speaking openly, remains a lawful exercise of his rights in a public place.
Sorry you don't like the dialect I use when I speak or the vernacular, but I'm allowed to do whatever I want. It's a free country.
Hey, just to be clear, you're not doing anything wrong, okay? There's someone else called about you, and that's why...
That's fine. They can call all they want, buddy.
Okay, but when they call...
Tell them to call 1-800-WAH.
I want to make sure you understand. When someone calls the police, we have to respond.
Yeah, you go right ahead and keep doing it.
Say,
Come on back out here. Just bring beer next time.
We have to come and make sure you're now.
Do I look like I'm
By the
panhandling?
way, it's not against the law to panhandle.
And I'm not panhandling.
And
So,
you're not. Okay.
so why are you here if no laws were
I had to
reported?
come make sure that you're not.
You
Just
said
like
no.
you
You said it wasn't illegal, but you said someone called in, so you had to come out because it was a crime.
I
But
was going to explain to you that there are laws about panhandling, but obviously you don't care to hear.
I don't care to hear because I don't panhandle, buddy.
I think we're good.
Yeah, you're good. Have a great day.
You're gonna need to get your fucking hand off my camera right now.
I apologize.
And don't cover my camera. Listen, bitch, don't cover my camera.
I
Don't cover
apologize.
my camera.
I thought I just had
Ever.
my hand
No,
resting on
shut
the
the fuck up. Shut up. Don't camera, son. What do you want?
Okay, there's no need for that name calling.
You
Okay.
bitch. So you know what? There's no need for you to be all secret shady covering the camera. What do you want, bitch?
That's an officer safety protocol that we usually
No,
adhere to.
oh really? No, for my safety protocol, you ain't covering my cameras. You're violating constitutional rights. What do you want?
I am here to talk to you. Are you?
Eventually, the officers begin to acknowledge that the man is not committing any crime. They explain that when someone calls the police, they are required to respond and verify the situation. Despite this clarification, the conversation remains heated. The man criticizes the repeated police responses and claims the complaints themselves are an abuse of the system. When an officer briefly covers the camera during the interaction, the situation escalates again, with the man accusing them of attempting to interfere with his recording and documenting the encounter.
Are you home?
You
Are you home?
get the off my property. You got a warrant? Get the off my property.
I actually do have a warrant.
Whoa, really?
So-
Get off my property.
It's
Stop
just a
it!
text, ma'am.
Bye, you cunts. Bye, get off my property.
Are you home to come out and talk with me?
Yeah,
I'm
bitch, I'm
happy to
inside
leave.
hiding from you. That's what you can do, you dumb cunt. Get the fucking property, man. You know how many times you guys have accused me of hiding in the house from you? Get your hand off my
No,
camera and
I was
get,
just sitting on the
get
phone.
away from my camera. Get off my property. Right now, get off my property.
Are
Get
you?
the off my property. What do you not comprehend? Show me the warrant, cunt. You got a warrant, show me the
Dawn,
warrant.
you're losing connection, ma'am.
An ugly cunt. Left off my fucking property.
Are you able to restart or something?
No.
It's-
Get the off my property.
Are you home right now?
Bye, bitch, and take all your fucking friends with you. Bye, cunt.
It's just a few of us
Bye.
here.
Fuck you. I don't give a who's there. Nobody's welcome. Get the off my property. You can stand on the curb, and then you can show me your warrant. But until then, I suggest you get the my property, bitch. This ain't Ruby Ridge 2. Get all your little pigs off my property. Get the out of here, all you little cops. You coward cunts.
No need for that name.
Fuck you, bitch. You fucking ARs at me. You cunt. Can't wait till yeah, you.
The confrontation reaches its most intense moment when the officers approach the man's property while attempting to continue the conversation. The man demands that they leave unless they have a warrant, repeatedly insisting they step off his property. Voices rise as the argument turns into a heated standoff over authority and personal rights. The officers attempt to maintain communication, while the man continues to order them away. The incident ultimately reflects a larger debate often seen in public encounters, where citizen activism, free speech, and police procedure collide in a highly charged environment.